Hey, I'm Nidhi Jacob and I'm here to show you this month's Flintobox for 8 to 12-year-olds, which is called the Inventor. In this box, we will be learning about some great inventions and making some inventions of our own. The first activity is called Mini Printing Press, and in this activity, we will explore and learn about printing and printing press. The small model we are about to make is based on the Gutenberg's model of the printing press. This activity gives us a chance to discover and explore while improving logical reasoning skills and coordination. Second activity, called clay casting, will teach us about a new method called casting, where a molten metal is poured into a mold to create an object. We are going to understand the concept of casting by creating a mold in clay and pouring plaster Paris in it to make an object. This activity is aimed at developing creativity, imagination, coordination and lateral thinking skills. In the third activity, we will be exploring and creating objects with clay and a potter's wheel, and the activity is called Potter's Craft. We will be using a battery-run spinner wheel which mimics a potter's wheel and using natural clay to make objects. The activity improves focus, coordination, creativity and imagination.
The box also comes with a book called The Magic Watch Adventure, in which Flinto, Benji, Bobo and Mia are pulled into a travel they aren't prepared for.
This box is filled with fun activities, so go get yours.